Hey, and welcome to the last unit in this course. Major congratulations as you've completed the other 8 units, and now you're on the last one. I purposely separated out the printing unit because there are some very specific questions on the Microsoft Office exam that deal with printing. And so instead of incorporating them into other units, I felt it would be important to pull them out separately to have an individual focus on this. So when you take the exam, and I hope you're planning on taking the exam, that you'll be able to just breeze through the printing part of that test. Let's take a look at our objectives for this unit. Modify page setup, set a print area, set print scaling, display repeating rows and column titles. I know for a fact that one's on the exam, and print all or part of a workbook.